Oh, wait, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Perpetual Motion on the Viola playthrough, slow and fast. All right, so like I said before, this is a landmark piece. This is a beast, so it's going to be a long playthrough, but let's do it. So let's do our slow version, okay? It's marked as Allegro, which means, alive and somewhat happy. So what's the slow end of that? So like dum, bum, 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 something like that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's it for our slow playthrough. Are you ready for the fast one? Here we go. What would our fast tempo be? Maybe like dum bum 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 bum. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Hey, how'd you do? What a workout, right? To do those singles and the doubles, no matter what speed you play it at, it's going to be a workout. So find a speed that works for you. Again, try to keep it so that the singles are going to be unified in tempo to the doubles. All right, our fingers are going to move in the same speed, but it's really just the bow that gets doubled. Okay, I will see you in the next song. Congratulations.